These niggas say they ballin'. Most of these niggas talking nonsense. Like Batman, we robbin'. So that none of my niggas starvin'. These niggas say they ballin'. They see them junkies keep on callin'. I'm mashed up in the hallway, and I've been sitting here all day.
I know some shooters in shooter shirts get you shot in your Gucci shirt. They rob you for Louis shoes. They watch if you move and work. Just watch how you move around. You know how them looters lurk. You know how that shit go down. They act like you doing murk. Don't act like you getting money. You broke, better say you broke. Cause niggas is hungry and they done smoke who they say they smoke. You think that this game a joke? My God, you don't know these folks. You say you a real nigga, then how you don't know these ropes? And how you don't know these rules? That title so overused. You ever go on the news for shooting or pulling moves? No niggas been traumatized and through stabbings and bullet wounds. Them murders is not surprising, this area full of goonies. Kill you in Section 8 and go bury you in the boonies. Bodies just decomposing, it sound like some shit from movies. Riders be rolling and toting, texting some different Uzis. Rollers be riding, they roll with Ninas and district cruisers, it's crazy.
These niggas say they ballin'. Most of these niggas talking nonsense. Like Batman, we robbin'. So that none of my niggas starvin'. These niggas say they ballin'. They see them junkies keep on callin'. I'm mashed up in the hallway, and I've been sitting here all day. My hands in my pants look like I'm walking on crutches. I've been military trenches, you was rolling them Dutches. I thought we was our brother keeper, like they just said fuck it. Think them niggas just scared, that's why they don't trust. Man, you better bring the big dog if they want crush. Hate when niggas say I'm purpin' when they are some bust. About to close the fucking oven like I'm baking the muffin. Niggas lying in your rock, what you say means nothing. I'm flossing and ducking, you niggas saving and cuffing. Mr. Bustin' Junior High, I pull up in the bucket. And if a nigga owe me, then his life gon' cost him. My soul so cold, stone cold Steve Austin. The Gonzo gang and we off on mob shit. My dog stole cars, bras thinking we awesome. The feds got hip, got tricks, so I tossed it. Soldier like mentality, no limit armor. But these niggas say they ballin'. Most of these niggas talking nonsense. Like Batman, we robbin'. So that none of my niggas starvin'. These niggas say they ballin'. They see them junkies